Hey, Dills Victoria here. Hope all is well. So, I'm going to be giving you a snippet summary about what the whole entire book is. Relentless Reinvention from Breaking Point to Breakthrough. So, it took me about 2.5 months to write this book. When I decided to write it, I had went to a psychic medium event and my grandmother came through and she told me, when am I going to write my next book? And I need to be speaking on stages. So I accomplished the first part, which was writing this book. And the title of the book, Relentless Reinvention from Breaking Point to Breakthrough, came from me typing in some stuff into chat GPT. And pretty much I said that I wanted to create a title for the book that encompasses all of who I am, how many times I've fallen and had to get back up, how many times I had to go through healing and transformation and cyclical trauma to transformation again, and all of the different things that I do, all the hats that I wear, and so on and so forth. And ChatGPT came up with Relentless Reinvention because I am definitely relentless, resilient, reinventive, transformative, all of the things. And so that's how the book was birthed, just to give you a little backstory. So there's 13 stories of my relentless reinvention in the book. So I'm going to give you like a snippet of it, like I said. And in like the other last video that I did, I said that I was going to start doing video excerpts of each chapter of the book. So this book is not a collection of lessons or steps or polished roadmap to healing. They're just 13 stories about my life that's raw, unfiltered, and honest, and moments that broke me, awakened me, reshaped me, rebuilt me, and reinvented me. Each chapter is a version of myself that I had to meet, confront, and release and honor. Each reinvention was a doorway for me to walk through, sometimes willingly, sometimes painfully, them painful ones. No jokes, not for the weak. To become the woman that I am today, and a woman that consistently continues to reinvent herself time and time and time again. I don't think I'm ever going to stop until I take my last breath, honestly. And the stories are from the little girl that I had to return to, the teenager that I had to understand, the woman I had to stop abandoning, the spirit that I finally had to listen to because I'm stubborn as fuck, the truth I had to stop running from. The truth, not the truth. So these 13 reinventions are not about perfection. They are about becoming. They are about the moments I chose myself when it would have been easier not to. The moments I stopped performing and started healing. Because a sister felt like she was doing some deep healing, and I understood and realized after a while when I started to do the deep work that I was surface healing and I had to go deeper than I've ever went before in my whole entire life. The moment I stopped surviving and started living, I was constantly in survival mode due to trauma. And I know whoever's looking at this video completely understands this because we all go through some form of trauma, right? The moments I had to stop reliving my trauma and started rewriting my narrative. We relive our trauma so much it ain't funny. These are stories of how I found my voice, identity, power, intuition, spiritual authority, compassion, authenticity, worth, and ultimately myself. So, if this pulls at your heartstrings, go ahead and go get yourself a copy. Go grab the signed copy. And as you read them, I hope you see pieces of yourself in my story, and that you're able to go and create your own form of reinvention so you could become yourself. Because this book is not about a journey or my journey. It's an invitation to your journey and your relentless reinvention. So again, the link is in the description box or the comments or my stories or my bio or whatever the case may be where you're looking at this video at. I'm a New Yorker. I talk really fast, so when I'm talking, I have to, in my mind, I have to say, slow down, bitch. Slow down. So I hope that you enjoy it. And if you do, do me a favor and post a testimonial or review of your experience of the book. I would truly, truly appreciate it. Or leave a comment.